Automatic sensitivity clouds my objectivity. Basement theater, girl on the stage is falling down. Rapid calculation increased my speculation. The band was ill to tune. She was late and I missed her cue. Oh yeah. And the lights have been turned on. Holly's singing the same old song, and all the seats are empty. Now the audience has gone home, gone home. Tailor-made seduction, delayed my deduction. Alone in the back row while I watch her in her mounting woe. Oh no. Tonight's performance of the show ended wrong, where's her Romeo? Seems as if she's here to stay as the theater is backs away, oh yeah. Holly, what's wrong? Don't you know you've been away too long? And things are changing this town, girl. Things are changing this town. The lights have been turned on, and Holly's singing the same old song, and all the seats are empty. It's time for an intermission. What's wrong? Don't you know we've been away too long? Things are changing this town, girl. Things are changing this town. The lights have been turned on. Holly's singing the same old song, and all the seats are empty. Now the audience has gone home. Holly, what's wrong? Don't you know you've been